that a yummy breakfast? On a cloudy day? Yummy breakfast, Charlotte? Is that a yummy, Charlotte? Okay, good job. I love when they answer. Is that a yummy? Charlotte, is that a yummy? Is that a yummy breakfast? They throw a lot of food. I can see that now. With these containers, I think so. Is that a yummy breakfast? Cookie, I already gave you attention. Look, Cookie's very jealous. Look. He's just staring at me. I'm scared of him sometimes. He's jealous because I'm talking to Charlotte. Is that a yummy? Yummy. Can you say yummy? Yeah? Well, do it then. Yummy. Charlotte, you look mad all the time. What's going on with you? Pretty bird? Can you say pretty bird? Oh, you're mad? Oh, you don't want to talk? You're like, leave me alone. I want to enjoy my breakfast. The woman. Nice feet. Go, get your breakfast. Pretty bird. Is that a yummy? Look, Cookie, I want to show you how he's jealous. He's staring. And Lucy as well. Is that a yummy water? Nice feet. Cute nails. He doesn't have one nail on one of his toes. What is that? What is that sound? You're cleaning your peak. Good job. It's not cold, so you can puff up, okay? It's not cold. It's not even cold, Charlotte. All right, guys, I'm coming back in a little bit, okay? I need to go and get some stuff for you guys. Treats. You want some treats? You want some treat? Treat. Oh my goodness, this guy is eating a lot. You got the same one. You got the same one. You throw it and then you got it again. So you just have your favorites, huh? I think they like the blue ones. There's some blueberry, something like that, and he's always picking on the blue ones. Dirty bird. He's so cute. I love her eyes. They're so cute. Hi, Luna. Hi, sweetheart. Dirty bird. I know. I love you, Peppa. Alright, guys, thank you for watching this, guys, these little birdies. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.